What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling about un gross coin of Rzeczpospolita Polska, minted in 2021, maybe the smallest denomination in Poland's monetary system, yet its value cannot be judged by face value alone. Too often overlooked in everyday transaction, the gross carry a variety of meanings, economic, cultural, and numismatic. This analysis explores the real-world monetary value of the 2021 gross coin, its minting and production cost, its collectible or numismatic worth, and its cultural and symbolic significance in contemporary Poland. While it is literally worth just un centième th of a zloty, its broader relevance tells a rich story. The monetary value. The smallest legal tender in simple terms, the gross coin is worth 0.01 Polish zloty. That's un centième th of a zloty, or the smallest uni in circulation within the Polish currency system. To put it in perspective. Un zloty égale 100 groszy, un gross $0,0025 américains as of 2025 exchange rate. The purchasing power of a single gross is negligible in today's economy. You cannot buy any standalone item with just un gross, and even in bulk, its utility is limited. Nonetheless, its role in transaction rounding and exact cash change means that it still has a functional purpose in Poland's currency system. Prices in Polish retail store, supermarket, and convenience shops are often listed with gross fraction EG, 9 zlotys polonais et 99 groszy, and businesses still give change in groszy coin, especially in cash transaction. Cost of production. Worth more than it cost. Interestingly, the cost to mint un gross coin can approach or even exceed its face value. The coin is made from brass-plated steel, and weighs only 1.64 grams, Bu. The material cost, labor and machinery, quality control, logistics and distribution all add to the production price. According to report from the National Bank of Poland, NBP, the cost to mint a single gross coin in recent years has ranged from 0.015 to 0 zloty polonais et 2 groszy depending on metal prices and inflation. This means the Polish state may actually lose money on every gross produced. Despite this inefficiency, the coin is still produced because it supports exact change in cash transaction. It sustains psychological pricing strategy EG, prices ending in 99. It prevents price rounding inflation which could occur if the lowest denomination were withdrawn. 4. Circulating and collectible value. Market worth in circulation. The 2021 gross coin is worth exactly what it says, un gross. It is extremely common and produced in the millions. Therefore, in circulated condition, it does not have any special collectible or resale value. However, collectors look for uncirculated UNC coin proof version polished dies, mirror finish mint set coin with errors for the 2021 issue. Circulated condition. Value égale un gross 0 zloty polonais et un gross uncirculated loose coin, may sell for 0,10 à 0,30. PLN proof version if minted. Could fetch 5-10 zlotys polonais or more. Official mint set containing 2021 coin. May sell for 100-200 zlotys polonais depending on condition and packaging, notably. Error coin, such as center strikes, wrong planchet, or doubled dies, can dramatically increase a coin's value. While no widely known mint errors for the 2021 gross are publicized, individual specimens with visible errors can be worth 5 to 50 zlotys polonais or more depending on rarity and condition. Value in bulk. When quantity matters while a single gross coin is nearly worthless in isolation, collectors and scrap metal dealers often deal in bulk low. For example, a bag of 1,000 groszy égale 10 zlotys polonais in coin exchange. Bulk coin often sell at a discount or premium depending on weight and metal count. However, due to the low brass count and high steel core, the metal value of a gross coin is minimal. It's not profitable to melt them down, and doing so is illegal in most cases. Cultural and emotional value. Sentiment over substance for many Poles. The gross coin is more than small change, it is part of the cultural landscape. Despite its low economic value, it is used in piggy banks, teaching children about money. It is part of money-termed gifts, such as framing coin from one's birth year. It appears in coin toss, wedding tradition, and small symbolic donation. Some people collect one gross coin from different years or keep one as a good luck charm. Its continued circulation also symbolizes the stability of the Polish zloty and resistance to inflationary rounding practice. Online marketplace and coin auctions on platforms like Allegro.pl, Poland's equivalent of eBay or international auction site. The 2021 gross coin appears frequently. Most listings fall under Bulk l'OEG, 100 coins for $-2 américains full year coin set including all denomination for the year 2021 collector grade item pro, mint condition coin. Packaging listings for a single 2021 gross typically range from 0 zloty polonais et 50 groszy to 2 zlotys polonais for uncirculated specimens, not B. At first glance, the gross coin minted in 2021 by the Republic of Poland may seem modest in both size and value. However, its story is deeply intertwined with the nation's cultural, political, and economic transformation over centuries. This diminutive bronze coin serves not just a legal tender, but also as a symbol of resilience and continuity in Polish monetary history. The gross coin, especially the 2021 issue, represent the culmination of century of monetary evolution in Poland, a nation marked by partition, uprising, foreign domination, independence, and integration into the European Union. This narrative dives into the origins of the gross, the design and metallurgical aspect of the 2021 coin, the institutional framework behind its minting, and the economic environment that shaped its production. It further examines the coin's relevance in contemporary Poland and offers a glimpse into its place in both everyday transaction and numismatic collection. The origins of the gross, a deep-rooted denomination. The term gross derives from the Latin grossus, meaning thick or large. It originated in medieval Europe, first appearing in Venice in the 13th century at the Grosso. Its popularity soon spread, influencing coinage in Germany, Groschen, France, Gros, and eventually Poland. The first Polish gross coin appeared in the late 14th century under King Casimir III the Great Kazimierz Wielki around 1367. These early coins were made of silver and were worth a significant fraction of the then dominant denarius. The gross evolved through various dynastic reigns, held various weight and value standards across the century, especially during the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, when monetary systems were relatively decentralized. The gross maintained a persistent presence despite fluctuations in weight, metal count, and exchange rate. Over time, as inflation and economic pressure mounted, the gross diminished in intrinsic value. Denomination gradually shifted from silver to copper alloys and, in modern times, to base metals like brass or steel. Despite its reduced purchasing power, the gross coin has remained an essential unit of Polish currency. Poland's currency system, zloty and gross. To understand the gross coin's place in Polish currency, one must understand the structure of the Polish zloty. Modern zloty PLN was reintroduced in 1995, replacing the old zloty PLZ at a rate of 10,00021 in a massive denomination designed to combat hyperinflation. Zloty is subdivided into 100 groszy plural of gross, restoring a system that dates back century. In this decimal structure, un zloty égale 100 groszy coins are minted in denomination of 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 groszy, and 1, 2, and 5 zloty. Gross coin, TUS, occupy the smallest denomination in the Polish monetary hierarchy. Though seemingly insignificant in value, it plays a vital role in price rounding, microtransaction, and economic symbolism. The 2021 gross coin. Specification and design d'un gross coin issued in 2021 adhere to the standard established in earlier reformative years. It represents continued national commitment to maintaining physical cash for accessibility, tradition, and cultural identity. Physical specification. Diameter, 15,5 mm thickness, 1,4 mm weight, 1.64 grams edge, smooth composition. Brass-clad steel, a core of steel coated with a thin layer of brass. This composition gives the coin a gold-like appearance, though it is made of inexpensive materials. Both corrosion resistant and cost efficient to produce, making it suitable for circulation in a modern economy. Obverse front. The obverse features the coat of arms of the Republic of Poland. A crowned white eagle with spread wings and stylized feathers. Inscription around the edge READS, Rzeczpospolita Polska, Republic of Poland, with the year of minting, 2021 at the bottom. The image of the eagle has evolved over time, reflecting political change. It was reintroduced in 1990 after being removed during the communist era. Reverse back. The reverse show the denomination, un gross, in bold font. The number is a stylized image of an oak leaf, a national motif signifying strength and endurance. This design, by Polish artist W.A. Karpinska, has remained consistent since the post-1995 denomination, creating continuity in the coin's visual identity. Minting and production. The Roll of the Polish Mint de 2021. Un gross coin was minted by Menika Polska S.A. Polish Mint, one of Europe's oldest and most prestigious mints. Established in 1766 during the reign of King Stanislav August Poniatowski, the mint has a long tradition of coin production, both for domestic and international market. Menika Polska operates as a modern company with advanced coinage technology, capable of mass production with high precision and security.